guys back to John Shaft Automotive Odyssey, which is my channel. And we are out here today at the Barber's Motorsports in Leeds, Alabama. And this is track day. And I just decided to come out here and get you guys some good videos of what it's like to be on a racetrack if you are a racing fan or a car person like I am. Decided I'd come out here today and try to get you guys some good videos on what it's like to be on the track. I'd like to greet you guys top of the morning, and welcome back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru, and I'm your host, John Shaft. It is Thursday morning, May the 8th, 2025, and we are in the green this morning. Hopefully it'll stay that way. It just depends on how the day goes. We are investing this morning $19,400, and we are actually up $600 and some change, and we got the buying power of 1559. Started out pre-market, we was up by $1,000 some dollars, and it has since dropped from then, and we are about 20 minutes on the other side of the opening of the bell. And so let's get into the morning brief. Investor segments is posited as a major U.S. and U.K. trade deal boosts optimism, while the Fed holds interest rates steady. So that means that the Fed decided not to cut the interest rate on the other day. The market are experiencing a positive shift today, primarily driven by President Trump's announcement of a significant trade deal with the U.K., which has lifted investors' optimism. This development is crucial as it may ease trade tensions and positively impact major index. Additionally, the Federal Reserve decision to maintain interest rates reflects a cautious approach to the economic stability and ongoing trade negotiation. However, mixed earnings report from companies like Peloton and Shopify are causing some volatility. Peloton are larger than expected losses highlights challenges in its recovery, while Shopify disappointing forecasts raises concerns in the e-commerce sector. The tech sector is seeing gains, particularly Nvidia, which is I am a heavy hitter in Nvidia, following the news or lifted restrictions on AI chips export. And in up-and-coming events, we got the 510, which is the job reports. I guess that's going to be Monday. I don't know what was the deal with these dates, why these dates be like it is, because actually 5/10 falls on Saturday. But let's say 5/10, you got the jobs report. The up-and-coming job report will provide insights into the labor market health, influencing our investor segment and potential Fed policies adjustments. On 5/15, you got the retail sales data. Retail sales data will be crucial for understanding consumer spending trends, which are vital to the economic growth, market performance. And 5/20, you got earnings seasons continue. Continue earnings reports from major companies will shape market expectation and investors' confidence, particularly in the sectors facing challenges. The U.S. and U.K. trade deal announcement boosts market segments. President Trump announces a significant trade deal with the U.K., lifting market optimism. This development is crucial as it may ease trade tensions and positively impact major index. Federal Reserve keeps interest rate unchanged amid trade uncertainties. The Federal Reserve decided to maintain interest rates, citing risk from tariffs and inflations. This decision is important as it reflects the Fed's cautious approach of the economic stability amid ongoing trade negotiation. Peddleton reports widely losses. Stocks drops over 5%. Peddleton earnings report revealed a larger than expected loss and declining sales, leading to a significant drop in the stock prices. This is important as it highlights challenges in the company's recovery and market position. Individual shares raised as individual shares rise on recent AI export prescription. Nvidia stocks gains after news that the Trump administration plans to lift restrictions on AI chips export. This is significant as it could enhance Nvidia's competitive edge in the tech sector. Shopify disappointing outlook causing stocks decline. Shopify stocks fell following a disappointing forecast for the current quarter, raising concerns among investors. This is important as it reflects potential challenges in the e-commerce sector. And so that's going to bring it close to your morning brief. So let's take a look at the portfolio. Holding steady at $773. That's a gain this morning. Currently have 5 options position open Crypto's in the green this morning. For those of you that are crypto lovers. See what my stock is worth this morning. My stock is actually up this morning with a value of $74,505. So it's actually up this morning by $1,200. And obviously Tesla is up this morning with a value of $4,474. So it's actually up this morning about $8.31. And I currently have 15 shares of Tesla. And I just turned red. I have made today so far $129 off of it, but it's still negative $444. Okay, and turn back green. My little Facebook trading at 602 this morning. I currently have it's currently up $5.70. I currently have 1.9 share of it. And Facebook has gotten to be kind of expensive, so in cases like this, what I usually do if I want to buy some of it, I just use the fractional shares, and I would just buy whatever amount I want to purchase of it. So this morning we just maybe purchased $25 out of it. And so it gives me a little bit more profit of it. You'd be surprised how that builds up over a period of time. If you can't afford the whole share of a stock, you just buy a little bit at a time of what you can afford. Boeing Airlines is trading at 186.67. It's actually up this morning by $1.05. I currently have 4.05 shares of it with market value of $7.57. Goldman Sachs is trading at this morning $5.60. I currently have 1.6 shares of it. Apple is trading at 196.73. It's up by 50 cents this morning. I have 7.7 shares of it, value of $1,500. You got J.P. Morgan. It's trading at 252. And I currently have 1.5 shares of it, and it's valued at $392. And Google trading at $2.21. It's currently have 108 shares of it with market value of $16,700 some dollars. It's 26% of my portfolio. Its days return on it has been $220 some dollars, $30 some dollars. Still negative $720. Amazon. See, Amazon is trading at 190. It's up this morning by 135. I have 7.2 shares of it with a market value of 13.53. Just buy a little bit. I'm a little bit more Amazon this morning. Put another 25 in Amazon. AMD holding steady at 104.43. Currently 5.9 shares of it, value at $626. 97% of my portfolio. Netflix is actually down this morning by $2.63. Current value of our Netflix is $1,152, and I have 0.4% shares of it with a market value of $514.48. So if I keep on doing this, I'll eventually have a whole share of Netflix. I'm gonna buy this morning. I'm gonna put 25 in it. Microsoft trading at 437 this morning. It's up by $5 or $4.57. I have 2.6 shares of it for market value of $1,100. Walmart here is trading at 98.82. 3.6 shares of it, and its market value $362. S&P Y this morning is up by $3. It's trading at $564.15. Currently had 3.7 shares of it with a market value of a little over $2,000. Berkshire Hathaway is actually up this morning by 47 cents, trading at 518. I currently have 0.87 shares of it with a value of $453. And as you know, the great Warren Buffett announces his retirement from the CEO of the company, and he's going to be passing along the torch, I think, at the end of the year. Still, it's a great stock to have in your portfolio, and he says he's not going to sell none of it. I tell you, if I had that kind of money and I was his age, man, I'll be living it up. I'll be on the beach somewhere. Don't tell me I'm not gonna be selling some. I'm gonna sell some, and I'm going to be living it up. This man got so much money, and he live in a modest, average, everyday house in I think Omaha, Nebraska, and he lives like a regular individual, even though he's not. And yes, this man is a wonderful individual to follow and pattern yourself after. The Inventors trading this morning at 117.50. It's actually up this morning by 0.44%. I currently have 132 shares of it with a market value of $15,530 some dollars. It's 224.11% of my portfolio. We go ahead and buy a little bit of Inventors this morning. Put $25 in. Pioneer holding steady this morning. It's on the rise again at 5.55. Currently trading at $116. I have 123 shares of it with a market value of $14,000 some dollars. And so far this morning, today, I made $680 some dollars off of it, with a total of $3,800 some dollars. And this is my number one trade and my number one company that I buy shares in. It's Pioneer Technology. It's an excellent stock to have and own in your portfolio. Tell you can't beat it. Let's see. You definitely can't beat them, so we're gonna buy a whole share of it. So that gives me 124 shares of Pioneer. Coming up on $4,000 that I've been made off this particular stock. Man, I tell you, I can't say enough about this stock. This stock here. Still, we got today and tomorrow we're trading, and as you can see, we still got earnings report being reported. See it scratching coming across the screen at the announcements of a company, a particular earnings report. Trying to find so far this morning. I don't know if I looked over there or what. Here we go. So far is up this morning by 22 cents. Market value of 13.24. It's 134 shares. Market value of 17.85. So for this morning, I made about $30 off of it. And you want to make sure you keep a SoFi into in your portfolio. So it'll probably take 6 months to a year to SoFi to materialize into the behingous giant that it is. Simply a financial institution, and its business is on the modern day era. To where most banking systems today is on the old dinosaur area, and so we're waiting for the actually value of that stock, which is undervalued, to catch up with this company. So that's why I continue to hold SoFi into my portfolio. Gold this morning is actually down by 27%. It's trading at 1912. Currently have 15 shares of it with a value of $286.88. Gold is more of a safe haven in your portfolio. And let's see. Still we have this morning, still holding steady, investing at $392. So actually up this morning by $700 with a buying power of $1,300. I'm actually trying to get rid of these options, but it's a slow process. Because you can see for all the geopolitical news going on today with this new president and his tariffs and going after other nations, man, we're causing a lot of fear and uncertainties and vitalities in the market. So like I say, it's not a good time to be having open options or putting in new options, because you never know what he's gonna say or do to sway the stock market. And the market does not like uncertainties. So now, if you're gonna do options, you need to do option day by day or week by week. I wouldn't go out and do a leap like what I'm doing now. These leaps just happen to be open, and I just haven't closed them yet. Once upon a time, I used to have like 20 some options open. And so I got it all down now to 5. So far, this is on the positive one that I have open. And it has a market value of $19.60. And I bought it on May the 1st. Well, actually, I rolled it into another position. So I actually bought this shoe about 4 or 5 months ago. The expiration date on is December 19th. Yeah, so you have an option in place, and it started to go against you. Like this here, this is going against me. This market value of less than $4,700. Days return less than $400. It just keeps getting worse and worse. because of the uncertainties in the market. So you'll hit trade, and then you'll hit, I can't buy it because it costs too much money. Can't sell it because I don't have enough. I don't have enough of shares to sell it. So you'll have to roll this out into another position. So you hit roll position, and then you select new position. This is my current position. This is at 100, but it's up trading at 116. And so what you usually do is you can go one leg up or two legs up. Let's go one leg up and look at it. One leg up, it gives me a 67% chance of profit with 126 volume, 7,966 open interest with a volatility of 66.15% and delta of 0.67. And so you'll simply hit roll. But this is going to cost me $780 in order to roll this position. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer before I roll this position. So if I was to go even higher than that, then 120. If I was to go 125, same thing, just a little bit higher, gives me 77.38% chance of profit, which a volume of 2, open interest of 5,021, with volatility of 65.66%, for delta of 0.66. So I would simply hit, I'm going to keep the same date, which is 1/15/27. So I would just simply hit roll and see, this would even cost me even more money. This would cost me $967 in order to implement this particular strategy. So see, I'm going to wait a little bit on that. I want to keep my little buying power that I have in place for now. But that's the way you roll out of a position that has gone bad against you. And these two here, I rolled out of these two positions. That's why you see they're in the green. Now 3 of them are in the green. But either way, when you roll out of position, when you buy a position, when you sell a position, you have to have the profit of funds in your portfolio in order to cover that roll or that move, because each move when you're dealing with options it costs. It costs a move. It costs a move. It costs a roll a position. If you don't have the funds, then maybe you'll have enough shares to where the shares can be placed for collateral. But either move you make in the stock market is going to cost you money. It's going to either cost you money or it's going to actually cost you your shares. That's why I say you have to be really, really careful and know what you're doing when you get into option trading. And like I say all the time, you need to make sure you build up your portfolio. You need to have quite a bit of money. Some people tell you that you don't need a whole lot of money to get an option, but yes, you do. If you don't, you take a hard hit, then your portfolio, whatever amount you got, if 1,000, 5,000, whatever, you take a hard hit, and your portfolio won't be able to withstand that. So you be walking around here a sick man. So you want to build up your portfolio. It's not important right now in this early stages of building your portfolio and building our wealth and building generational wealth. It's not so important now to do options. You can make just as much money doing regular trades and holding on to them. My regular trade session and holding on to them are worth $74,000 This is regular trading. This ain't an option. It's just regular trading and regular ETFs. So you can't tell me it can't be done. And so that's going to do it for today's video. Again, we thank you for watching and tuning in. And if nothing else significantly happens today, then I'll see you guys again on Friday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day as you travel to and fro, whether you're going to work or school or what have you. And happy trading.
Trading is a game of logic, not emotions. In the world of trading, feelings don't help. It's all about the facts, the market trends, and thinking clearly. When you make decisions, use what you see and not what you feel. Keep your mind focused and watch what happens. Stay disciplined and always think things through before you act.